Hello, Divine One, and thank you for joining me for this week's meditation as we sink in to the deep grounding powers of our sacred Earth Mother. I have a very special journey in mind for you today. Allow yourself to create a sacred space, setting the boundaries you need to, letting others know that for the next 20 minutes or so, you will need uninterrupted time alone. Turning the notifications off on your devices, and if you can, putting headphones in. As you find a comfortable spot to either sit completely erect and aligned or to lay flat, this allows for the proper flow of energy through all of your channels as we move through this meditation today. When you're ready and settled, begin by taking deep breaths in through your nose, out through your mouth, in through your nose, out through your mouth. Allowing your breath to be intentional and deep, allowing the exhale to be just slightly longer than the inhale, activating your parasympathetic nervous system. Breathing deep and intentionally as you close your eyes, sinking in to a deep state of relaxation. Breathing in and out. And as you breathe, I ask you to envision yourself walking down a beautiful beach path, a vast ocean to the right of you, a beautiful forest to the left. As you walk down this path, you feel your feet in the warm sand. You feel the sun radiating down on you, activating your cells, deepening your healing. You hear the flutter of the waves as they go to and from the shore. As you walk down this path, you feel a deepening into yourself, your feelings, your beingness. The birds flying high above you, singing their beautiful songs. And as you walk, envisioning a beautiful red energy swirling around you, grounding you deep into the Earth Mother, creating safety and stability as you move forward on this journey. This red energy anchors you into the earth, providing solace, safety, structure, a deep grounded knowingness that you are always held. And as you continue to walk, a bright orange energy now floods your system. You are filled with the most life-sustaining energy you've ever experienced, nurtured, whole, fulfilled, sustained. Breathing in this beautiful energy of surrender, creativity, sensuality, you feel completely alive, like your energy is limitless. An ocean of creativity surges within you, still deeply grounded into your safety. Now a bright yellow energy moves through your system, aligning you with action, autonomy, a reminder of your sovereignty in each moment, your ability to choose, to take action towards your wildest dreams. This powerful energy activates your core center, giving you a courageous backbone, a deep drive for life, the ability to take all your creative energy and alchemize it into something brand new. This is where dreams are made. Still full of yourself, grounded into the earth, a life-giving green energy now pours into your heart space, moving throughout your entire system as this powerful green energy creates rupture within. A divine oneness is present, unconditional love at the highest frequency. You are held in the frequency of love, connected to your own divinity. A oneness, an ability to both give and receive, to see yourself and others without judgment, but only understanding and compassion. Still moving forward with this drive for life, full of self, anchored into the earth, a bright blue energy now waves through you, creating ripples throughout your entire system. This bright blue energy opens and activates your throat chakra, your essence, your soul knowing, the ability to show up authentically in your truth without fear of rejection, without fear of lies or judgment. Simply soul integrity, complete authenticity. As you move forward from an ethereal knowing, completely active in all your human energy centers, bridging the gap with love up into your soul state. And as this beautiful bright blue energy moves through your system, you now feel a powerful indigo taking up space in your third eye, activating your divine knowing, the universal knowledge that dwells within, the cosmic creativity that flows to and from, as every sense, both human and soul, is active. You have all the knowledge of the universe at your fingertips with this powerful indigo energy. And with a final burst of color, a powerful violet pours down through you, activating your crown, connecting you to your divinity, your eternal state of consciousness, completely connected both above and below. A beautiful white light now moves down through you from crown to toe, aligning and activating each and every chakra, opening you to all that is, as you find yourself back on the beautiful beach path, aligned, present, understanding. And as you walk down this path, you notice out in the distance beautiful whales jumping up and down in the ocean. The sound of them blowing activates something deep within you. You are called to these whales, and they are called to you. You dive into the water with little thought, swimming madly towards them. As you reach the beautiful family of whales, they are thrilled to see you. Suddenly you can understand them. They invite you into their home, deep into the ocean. As one whale moves toward you, caressing your cheek with its fin, you now realize that you can breathe underwater. You climb on the back of this whale and it suddenly dives down into the ocean, the entire family following suit. You dive past beautiful different fishes, corals, every kind of sea life form you've ever imagined, moving through it all. As the water gets deeper and darker, you feel a deep grounding activating within you. You love listening to the whales' songs as they communicate on this journey. And as you reach the bottom, a beautiful gathering of over 50 whales welcomes you. These whales have invited you into their home today to activate you with your own song, your own conscious knowing of your roots into this earth, your connection with all of the creatures, humans, and beings present here. These wells have a powerful activation for you that will deepen you in, connecting you with the womb of the earth, the breath of the earth, the sacred protection of our Mother Gaia. As you sit with the whales in this beautiful gathering, one by one, different whales present you with a song and a message. Take the next several moments to listen to the message present here for you. As their powerful message comes to an end, the whales now begin to circle around you, creating a portal in the water. As this portal grows deeper, you notice you can peer down into the core of the earth. A beautiful red tube, a magnificent red energy comes up through the bottom of the ocean and connects deep into your own root chakra. As it does, you feel completely held, completely supported and nurtured by the powerful Earth Mother. This beautiful red energy pours into your system, activating your deep grounding and knowing, your deep connection with the Earth Mother. The whales delight in your new connection, a sacred energy they have long held. And as the portal closes and your connection with the earth remains, you feel the magic and the beauty of these magnificent creatures, able to operate at their frequency as you move with them in the vast ocean. You feel completely alive and attuned to their way of being. They are never trying to be anything they aren't, never worried, about their actions, simply swimming freely in the depths, connected to family, to community, in protection and honoring of one another as they joyfully sing their unique songs. This is the message they want you to take today. As you rise up from this sea adventure, let yourself be freed from the shackles of society. Let yourself surrender into the joy of each moment and let your song be heard without fear, without judgment, without worry. This is a call to your soul. As you deepen into the protection of the earth, let your ethereal body shine. Let your magnificent message reign across the earth. Let yourself feel held through it all. As this knowing takes root in your system, the whales beckon you to end your journey, climbing back on the whale as it catapults you to the earth's surface, emerging from the beautiful waters as you take your first breath of air. New life is present within you. And this friendship with the beautiful whales will never go away. It's always a connection you can find in your day-to-day. Breathing in to your new knowing as you are born again in this moment, in your own power, grounded deep into the earth. You swim back to the shore, bidding adieu to your new friends, ready to start your new life as your feet touch the shores, drying off in the warm sun, your toes once again in the soft sand. Every step you take now brings you back into the present moment. And while everything may look the same, you know that you have shifted timelines, that who you are will ripple out into your new reality, creating a deep sense of surrender and knowing in your day-to-day. Breathing deep into this knowledge as you move your fingers and toes, as you make the commitment to find and follow your joy and let your voice be heard. Breathing deep, and as you open your eyes fully present, carrying this knowledge with you all day. Your healing journey is complete.